Well, he took some things and left you, and you were dropped in shock, I know. Now if I could only tell you it's not your fault. You awoke and he was missing. You got up in an empty home, but it's his mistake for leaving you alone. And it just wasn't right that he left you in the middle. You will shine so bright, you'll forget him, you will live on sooner than you think. You'll be back on your feet again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You might as well take down the pictures, take his clothes and sell them all. And before you'll even know it, you'll be standing tall. There'll be times when you think of him with desire in your heart, but it's moments after that you realize he was a dickhead from the start. And it just wasn't right that he left you in the middle. You will shine so bright, you'll forget him, you will live on sooner than you think. You'll be back on your feet again. Whoa, 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 whoa. When you call me, I can tell that you've been crying. You better get over him. You better start loathing him. You better start over again. You best stop loving him. And it just wasn't right that he left you in the middle. Woke up this bright morning and I couldn't believe what I saw. My baby left me clueless. For all my records on the floor, there was no trace left of what we had, trace left of our love. I was searching for all of my things, but I couldn't find no more. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. And I smelled something burning, so I jumped up from the bed. My baby set my clothes on fire and the flames that began to spread. There was no time to dry and douse the blaze, time to save my stuff. My woman set it all alight, I guess she had enough. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. I still love my woman, yes, I still love that girl. Even though she's a psycho trying to burn my world, I see it as a symbolism for our love, symbolism for our lust. Call me a fool, that may be true, but I am a fool in love. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. My baby's gone. I taught myself to watch the skies in winter, to remind me that there's blue behind the gray. So I focus when the clouds break up and remember that eventually the worst of times fade away. So even if the gloom seems all surrounding, and I can claw my way out of this blackened state, I'll recall the blue skies when I feel I'm drowning. And eventually the worst of times fade away. Yes, eventually the worst of times fade away. Will you keep the light? Keep the skies always on your mind. Know everything will be alright. Know everything will turn out right. So know that there will be changes regardless, and it's up to you to keep those clouds at bay. So cast your rays deep into that darkness, and eventually the worst of times fade away. Yes, eventually the worst of times fade away. Will you keep the light? Keep the skies always on your mind. Know everything will be alright. Know everything will turn out right. So cast your rays deep into that darkness, and eventually the worst of times fade away. Yes, eventually the worst of times fade away. Yes, eventually the worst of times fade away. Dank jullie wel. Nou, dit is de volgende. En jullie mogen meezingen thuis en in de studio. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed day and the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, they're also on the faces people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.